So friends, I am leaving this house, beautiful house. I feel sad, but so she's saying, she's Soumi, my friend's wife, and we are very close friends. Really, come next time. We'll stay for more days. I hope, God willing. So, welcome back, and we are going to the railway station. I am going back within 24 hours to Mumbai. So I had from this shop, I had soda, more well. So friends, we are very close to the railway station. This is the market on your left. It's a very busy area and we are entering the railway station. This is Chenganur railway station. My ticket is not from here, it's from Tiruvalla. That's the next station. So I had to go and buy a ticket and then had to enter the train. So I'm saying bye to my friend. Chal, take care, bye. My friend is going and he helped me a lot. Bye. And he has dropped me to station. Now I have to go and take a ticket. This is a reservation counter. Because my ticket is from Tiruvalla, I took a ticket from Chenganur to Tiruvalla, 70 rupees. And I asked her whether I can sit in S4 because my reservation is S4. I said, yeah, no problem, you can go and sit in S4. Okay, thank you. So this is inquiry. So you ask which platform my train will come. 16312. He said platform number 3, and it is mentioned here also on the position, chart position. Let us see the chart position. So this is my train, 16312, and my one is S4. You can see S4 here. So it is 6th number from the engine. So every train you get to see here. So mine is S4, 6th number. So you'll see everyone in black. So they had been to Sabrimala. Sabrimala, I said, is a pilgrimage. They do it in the month of January and February. So Makar Sankranti is the day when that's a big occasion, very auspicious day for them. So they are Hindus and they all had been to Sabrimala. Now they are heading back home. And usually they walk to that place called Sabrimala Hill. It's on a hill. So this is how it looks, and just in front of station it looks something like this here. I had been here long back. Once I had been here. It was long back now. After many years I have come to Chenganur station. So this is our train. Kochuveli to Ganganagar. I'll be getting down at Panvel. WAP 7,000 horsepower. The general compartment. Chalo fir. So this train starts from Thiruvananthapuram, that's the capital of Kerala. It crosses Kerala, then it enters Karnataka, after that Goa, then Maharashtra. And I'll be getting down at Panvel, very close to Mumbai. Then it enters Gujarat, then Rajasthan, and it goes very close to Pakistan border called Ganganagar. It takes about 4 days to travel this distance. And there are sleeper class and air condition. I took a sleeper class, non-air condition. It cost about 650 rupees. So I got into the coach. This is the coach. And my berth is this, 60. 61, 62. So mine is lower. here, this guy has come from Sabrimala. So the train is now empty, but afterwards it will be full. This guy is from Sabrimala. Just on the light. So this is the compartment and this is how it looks. It's very clean. I think it's a new coach. This shop I brought it's called Buttermilk Sambaram. It's a Milma company. It's a very famous company for milk products. So this is the place, and my favorite is this buttermilk. It's called Sambaram. That's a spiced buttermilk with a lot of spices. And Thrissur, this is my hometown. Whenever I come here, I step down on this station. Lot of memories, lot of emotions involved. I got 6 packets of Sambaram. That is called Sambaram, but that is called buttermilk. It's a buttermilk in this with spices. So not 6, sorry, 5. 5 of them. So I can survive on tomorrow on this. It's my favorite. It's spiced buttermilk. And now I'll put my bed. This is my sleeping bag. Like this. This is it here. Looks like this, and then I do blow a pillow. So this is my sleeping bag, and this berth is the lower berth. The middle one is sleeping, and then upper berth. So I have a air pillow here. This is the air pillow. I put a cover on this, and this will be my pillow here. Let me on the flash. So this will be my pillow. Yeah. And this is my bed here. So my bag is here. I'll just keep it down. So it's good night for today. See you tomorrow in the morning, and tomorrow will be another vlog. So all are sleeping, so I don't want to disturb them. Now it's 10:10. So I'll see you tomorrow in the morning, and that will be a different vlog from. I think the train starts from. It goes to. It will enter Karnataka, and then 9:15 night I'll be getting down at Panvel. So I hope you loved it. You can see there's a mirror up. Last time in my last video I showed you there is a plug point here. There's a mirror here. It's a new coach. It is designed in Germany, but the design is not proper, because this is something which I will tell you. Night time here, when you close this, still the light comes from this. When you close this, still the light comes from this. So the design is not proper. So I hope you will enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Please, if at all you like, please do subscribe and share with your friends and families. Thank you very much.